winless after several tries here in the PCBL Chairman's Cup. Itong Euromed, nagdagdag na ng mga tao, susubukang matulungan ito sina Eloy Poligrates, Lester Alvarez, Eric Salamat, at haharapin naman nila ngayon Photon, who will look to defend dun sa kanilang mga reliable sina Cedric Ablaza, Levi Hernandez. It's a battle of Spitfires, mga players na may mga experiences na both in the professional level and here in the PCBL. Euromed versus Photon ang hatid namin sa inyo ngayon. Jot Sulit, kasama ko si Boybits Victoria. Take a look at the starters. Mga pamilyar na pangalan ang nagsisimula. At dito para sa Euromed, ayan na nga, Alvarez and Salamat making their debuts in the PCBL Chairman's Cup. Agad na magsisimula para sa Euromed.
Oo, alam naman natin na meron pa siyang Poligrates later on na makukuhanan niya ng kontribusyon.
Kaya lang, unang stat ni Lester sa PCBL turnover. Miscue on that inside pass. Ablaza na si Otaro. Took a little time pa, no? Buti na lang. When he spawned, mag-isa pa rin siya doon.
Dahil natumbay itong si Ola Diogun sa kabila, hindi na siya nakarecover kaya may easy basket para kay Otara doon sa kanyang unang possession ng Photon.
You know, something interesting, Coach Boybits, na napansin ko na nag-warm up ang Euromed. Ayan, 3-point attempt for Gwen Capascio. Misses that one. Lahat sila, pati yung mga bigs nila, were warming up taking threes at the top of the key. Sabi mo nga, ito yung effect ng Golden State basketball.
Golden State ba yun?
But I mean, is that something talaga that they need, like, for their big men na tumira na rin sa labas?
Siguro, ang basketball ngayon is everybody has to contribute sa lahat ng parte ng basketball.
Interesting how the game has evolved, no? Na parang hindi na nga tayo strict sa positions. Eh. There are point centers. Lester Alvarez, ayan na nga. Nagparamdam na ng tres ang Euromed.
Sinagkat, turnover pala kanina, sablay after. Ngayong pangatlong beses, hindi na sasablay sa 3-point shot.
Photon now on the offensive. Marlon Gomez penetrating. Bilomba. All with the board. Salamat running. Nakitay ng kakampi. Binangga ni Levi. Would have counted kung may contribution. Oh, he will get rewarded with two shots.
One more shot. Salamat. Nakita natin ito sa panahon ito since high school papalik sa paglaro D-League sa lahat ng mga pinaglaruan niya. He's always playing smart.
At yun yung mga pinasok nito ni Coach Yong na players, Lester Alvarez, Eric Salamat. Yun yung makikita natin for sure mamaya off the bench si Eloy Poligrates. Lahat yan spent significant time in the professional league.
Yes, at ating mga malalaro. Proven na ito mga ito. Kailangan ni Coach Yong ng leaders ang nadagdag sa kanila.
Mikey Reyes, nahanap ulit si Otara. But took some steps. Minsan ganun pa nangyayari pagka hindi mo na-expect yung pasa, no?
Oo, dapat yung mga big men dyan, pag tanggap mo ng bola, one motion, easily, dapat may ibang basket mo na yan. Kaya lang doon, medyo na-intimidate siya sa buhok ng bola.
Din pala yun napuwing yata, tumama. A steal by Photon. Levi na walang bola. Mikey Reyes recovers. Pinasa kay Gomez. Marlon trying to create some space. He does. Short nga lang ang kanyang tira. Alvarez picks up the board. 4-2 is our score. 7:45 remaining sa ating first quarter. Lester Alvarez, one-hander doesn't go.
Ganda yung skin ball ni Ola Diogo. Alvarez hindi lang niya na-convert. Balik ang possession sa Photon.
Mikey Reyes drop pass. Reset sila. Gomez, Hernandez. Kontra kay Salamat. 8 seconds on the shot clock para sa Photon. Levi unleashes a 3. Right short. Ablaza, nasapal ni Gwen Capascio. And Ola Diogun is alone underneath and you can't stop that guy. Basket.
Kalapit at nag-iisa itong si Ola. Lista mo na ang 2 points para sa Euromed.
Extend ang abante nitong Euromed 6-2 with under 7 minutes remaining. Mikey Reyes takes his first shot of the game. That's off. Battle for the board. Tamunera pupulot. Alvarez. Gulat ako that he passed on that 3. Usually si Lester bigyan mo unting space. He will take that shot.
Pero medyo hindi pa niya siguro na-feel yung flow ng game kaya medyo binubuhay niya.
At yan yung dala ng experience, coach. That sometimes kasi for a player, gigil ka talaga, wala ka masyadong experience. Makakita ka ng onting crazy.
Ako ba yung sinasabi mo, Jat?
Ay, hindi. Sorry, coach. Hindi.
Tinamaan ako eh.
Ganun ka pala. Wala akong pinapatamaan, ha? Eric Salamat has been aggressive. Although his shots haven't been falling, at least, ayan, no? It has resulted second trip to the line. So, kanyang second free throw. 3 points for Eric Salamat.
Ito na tayo dito. Yung mga Euronet, medyo kailangan. Kupunan. Hop, nag-deltic ako.
Turnovers abundant here in the first quarter. Ed Rivera kakapasok na lang. Yan agad na error niya agad.
Oh, the last time he played, 17 points, 7 rebounds, and 7 assists.
Wow.
Ang contribution, muntik nang mag-Draymond Green itong si Ed Rivera.
And it's uncanny dahil big man niya siya. Ayan, big man din. Tahonera with the rebound.
I know this guy can really shoot that shot. Naglaro yan para sa isang team na na-handle ng brother ko. Talagang shooter yung batang yan.
Good backdoor cut, Levy Hernandez. Pinakita Hernandez playing control the big, but able to see the court and hit his teammate with a beautiful pass.
In traffic, yung pass niya na yun, yung bounce pass niya na yun, may kumakat, mayroon mga nakatayo doon sa malapit. Tahonera 3-point shot again, supply.
Ola Adeogo na ako ng rebound. Kicks it back out, Lester Alvarez.
10 seconds.
Alvarez shoots over Otara. No, Otara grabs the board. Photo nagmamadali, Mikey Reyes pushing it. Mikey goes all the way. Gets fouled. Nang hinayang siya nun because if he had attempted, he would have gotten rather 2 free throws. Take a look at this one more time. Ayun o, ang daming tao pero nailusot pa. Si Levy Hernandez naman, nailusot sa
Lusot din sa kanyang
kamay
pantay
ni
at sa mga
Paul.
umehel.
Ed Rivera now, nabitawan ng bola. 10 on the shot clock. Labas ulit sila kay Mikey against Cesar Alvarez. Back to Ed. Ed, natapik na naman. Eric Salamat chases that loose ball down. Scores
Parang bagal din itong si Eric, no? Parang wala pa siya dun sa top condition. Pero 6 points for 6 points na ba siya o 5?
I
5
remember
points pa lang.
watching him in college. Grabe yung bilis niya.
Oo, ako nung pumunta pa yun, sa Sebastian.
High school
na high school. Ang galing ng bata niya.
Ablaza, he's been a keeper for empty on that attempt. Hirap umatake pag may Ola Adeogo na nakaabang sa ilalim.
Oo, makita mo pa lang si Bola, matatakot ka na.
Salamat from outside. No, Mikey Reyes and Levy Hernandez is alone. He will score. From Malolos City in Bulacan, ito ang PCBO Chairman's Cup, the first offering for today. Euromid contra Futon. Here's Ola Adeogo, the imports versus imports. Ola muscles his way in. Good help defense from Ed Rivera, pero syempre maganda rin naman yung first three. That, of course, take the big man to a travel.
Oo, talagang pinanel niya, pupunta doon sa double. Itong si Ola Adeogo, wala nagawa si Ola kundi mag-lift ng kanyang team.
Tara now to Hernandez. Levy, step back. The jumper, that's good.
Levy Hernandez.
Ka-6 na puntos ni Levy Hernandez. 13-8 na tayo, 3:45 to go ng ating first quarter.
Levy's the kind of player na coach na pagka nag-init, mahirap talaga pigilan eh. I've seen his game, yung mga breakout niya ng mga 40, 30 plus points. He would start taking those mid-range jumpers tapos build on that confidence, paatras ng paatras. And sometimes he would end up taking mga 3-4 feet jumpers away from the 3-point line.
Ano ba, nakakatakot dito kay Levy? Pag kagaya na sinabi mo, nag-init. Minsan yung run niya, yung streak ng basket niya, kaya niyang score ng 10 points pataas. Na siya
Maghirap. Well, there were times din naman that he needed help, but yeah, the scoring ability nito ni Levy Hernandez, hindi mo matatawaran.
Yun sa nagbabanggaan ang ating dalawang imports dito, si Ola at dito si Ongkara. Makakapag-play ba dito? Ang photo, hindi. Labas kay Mikey. Pick and roll to sa ibabaw.
Ed Rivera, he has that jumper, decides to take one dribble to the right, off to the left naman yung kanyang tira. Joffrey Custodio checked in already para dito sa Euromed. Taonera takes. Ikot ulit ng bola. Custodio, umatake, iwan kay Ola. Jumper from Adeogun.
Yan ang effect ni Stephen Curry. Pag-release mo pa lang, bumabalik ka yun.
Mukhang on high ka sa Warriors ngayon, coach.
Oo, baka mababigla yung Bulls eh.
Levy Hernandez from outside. No. Adeogun. Too big for him, but he travels and Ola unhappy with that call. Feel niya may contact mula kay Contreras. That's why napahop siya. Eto na.
Rates. Nakakalimang rebound na. Itong si Ola, tingnan natin. Magdadagdagan pa niya. Ito sa ating team ng yugto.
Itong si Eloy Poligrates, coach. He hasn't been playing competitive basketball for a while. 6 months daw siya nabakante sa paglalaro. Ay tinanong ko, so umuwi daw kasi siya sa kanila sa Cebu and I was asking him, so doon ka naglalaro? Sabi niya, hindi man daw siya naglalaro talaga doon. So he spent the last few days, actually days lang, na nagpapakondisyon. Pero no problem. Eloy Poligrates agad na nagparamdam in the PCBL. However, on the other end, tatawagan siya ng foul.
Makikita mo naman na medyo mabagal yung kanyang
Number 30,
defensively. Second time na siya beat na beat siya this time. He has to foul para ma-stop yung play ni Morales.
Hindi madali yung coach, no? 6 months kang hindi nakapaglaro ng gantong level. And bigla, out of nowhere, you come back. Nung Monday lang siya actually pumirma dito sa Euromed. Has just spent a few practices with the team. He's looking very aggressive ngayon.
Yes, offensively, wala ka talaga masasabi dito sa bata na to. Kaya lang, ang problema is yung kanyang conditioning. Medyo kailangan pa niya ng ilang games siguro para makita natin yung totoong kakayanan ng mama.
Tara, hinarapan si Adeogun. Ed Rivera hits nothing on that shot. Otara there to mop up the man. 17-10 is our score. A minute and 50 remaining in the first.
Alam mo, natatakot ako dito sa kupunan ng photo. Normally, parang diesel talaga to eh. Lahat ng games na na-cover ko pag sila naglalaro. At the start of the game, lagi silang ganito. Lagi silang nalalaman.
Alvarez, nice spin, nice attempt. Could not get it to go though. Custodio keeps the ball alive. Taonera open for 3. No good. Mikey Reyes with the board. Siya na rin nagmamadali bumaba. Side step and the finish for Mikey Reyes.
Ayan na, nagsisimula na sila tumakbo.
Pero on the other end, agad sila mabumawi sa Custodio. And as Magumar John would say it, may kasama pang foul.
foul number 16, Derek McGee. Russell set the comes in for Jeffrey Taonera.
Joffrey Custodio, kilala na para sa 3-point shooting niya, no? But he shows that he can also finish through contact on the break.
19-12, madadagdagan ba ni Custodio ang kanilang kalamangan?
Yes, he does.
8 na ang kalamangan nila dito sa ating second half, first quarter.
Reyes. Titimon para sa Photon. Leaves it for Ed Rivera. Parang kanina pa nabibitaw ni Ed yung bola. Here's Reyes again. Thought about the shot. There again. Rivera fumbling every time he holds the basketball. Mikey empty on the 3.
Yes, ito naman si Poligrates. Siya naman ang atake dito.
Eloy. The double. Gives it up. Saitanan. Another big man shooting from outside. No good. Pero siya rin makakuha ng board. Custodio. Corner 3. That's good for him.
Bench nitong ni Coach Ron Garcia sa ating dito.
Euromed, wala silang hesitation sa pagtira. You know, they get the ball na good stats.
Bronze settle is first. 30 ground Euromed.
That's why sila ang lamang dito sa ating first quarter dahil
40 seconds
they
to
lose.
shoot.
Reyes. There's a 4-second difference between the shot clock and the game clock. Mikey, nahanap si Otara. Good pass. Parang medyo mabagal ang coach response no, ng import.
So, pangalawang beses na yan, dapat basket na yun. Kukuha na yung foul. Kanina dapat si Leo Good. This time, makuha na foul si Saitana.
2 free throws for Ibrahim Otara. The first one, that falls in. Si Joker hindi yata na-inform na dalawang free throw. Gusto niya
Brad.
na agad kunin. Eh.
Brad, dalawang binigan.
Relax ka lang dyan.
Masyado kang magulo sa dance mo.
Ayan. Ayan naman, masyado naman siya aggressive ulit.
So in violation, substitute free throw for Ibrahim Otara.
May lakad siguro to si Custodio. No?
Ang nakita ko late si Ed Rivera, hindi si Custodio. Bakit siya ang naguguluhan dito sa ating laro?
23-13 is our score. Recovered on the second free throw. Si Otara, 5 seconds to work with Poligrates. He will take a 3 at top of the key. Nope. Another attempt. Lester Alvarez. Hindi rin papasok. And the first quarter will end with Euromed ahead by 9 points. Can they hold on and get their first win? The new guys of Euromed made their impact first quarter pa lang, kaya naman lamang sila by 9 points entering the second. Mikey Reyes, he shoots over Saitanan, hits all board. Salcedo trying to chase that one down. Pero possession will remain with Photon 8 seconds. Naiiwan sa kanilang shot clock.
8 seconds on the shot clock.
Reyes the inbound sa backboard. They need to be quick. Moraga, at ayun si Poligrates. Puts it up. Nick na. Otara with the board though. Fresh 14 rather. Pigan ng bola. Custodio pupulot. Advances it to Poligrates. Nice spin.
Wow!
Fine coach. Grabe.
Skillful talaga yung bata. Bata ba ito? Mama na.
Mama na yata yun. Mikey Reyes.
Mikey Reyes.
Leaning jumper, that's good. But, oh, beautiful advance pass. Medyo masyadong malalim lang for Ramsey.
Marunong si Ibrahim Otara. At sa mga for Lester Alvarez.
Ganda sa defensive rebound.
17 seconds on the shot clock.
Para sa kunan ng Euromed.
Yun ang isang naging effective for them in this game. Eh. They've been advancing the basketball. Quick yung pagbaba, pati yung bigs nila have been running the floor. Been shooting threes like that.
Jesse Saitanan.
Hindi man nakakatira. Salamat, Alvarez, Poligrates. Hindi man sila ang tumitira, pero yung creation nila naging bagay.
Pinakamalaking lamang na ina-enjoy ng Euromed. Poligrates stop and pop. Tik na. Photon needs something right now. Eh, medyo nagpipilit na yata itong Photon a little bit. Bill, open jumper, could not knock it down.
Maging nasushoot din ang video.
Eloy, dribbling this play. Labas
Opa.
kay Saitanan. He's feeling it. Misses that one though.
Kakakakot, diretso yung tira niya, no?
Moraga attacks. Nagkanda naman ang pasa kay Gomez. He gets clipped. 2 free throws, so we give it to him. He's graduating, ha? Your alma mater,
Of
coach.
course, syempre.
This April daw, graduating marketing. And I was talking to him earlier bago magsimula yung laro. Kinikwento niya na sobrang frustrated niya raw nung huling game. And it was visible actually na talagang gigil daw siya kasi, you know, of course, coming from your alma mater, from San Beda, he won a lot of championships there and it was a winning tradition. Hindi siya sanay na natatalo. At sabi niya nga, kahit anong level naman daw, kahit ensayo lang, kahit pick-up game lang daw, laro-laro lang, ayaw talaga niya natatalo. And that's why doon daw nagsistem yung frustration and pinupush niya raw ngayon yung teammates niya who have responded very well according to Ola.
Alam mo, ang talagang ganyan. Nasanay na nananalo. Pag sumama ka sa ibang team, at hindi masyado maganda ang inyong kampanya, yung frustration doon lumalabas.
Gomez, ang ganda ng ikot ng bola, but Saitanan rejects that. Poligrates, Mioyo pa. Bitin lang. Reyes running out to Hernandez. Corner 3 ball. He misses it. Ed Rivera, offensive board. Tapos, put back. Another one. Levi Hernandez that time. Nakasulit ang Photon.
13-19, 7-10 to go ng ating second quarter. 4-point swing yun. Isang miss layup ni Poligrates at putback nitong si Levi Hernandez.
Stop kaya sila sa depensa. There it is. Will this result to a bucket? Mikey Reyes nagmamadali. Naiiwan ng mga kalaban. Too strong on the attempt. Ed Rivera, second chance points. So 6-0 blitz for Photon. Nagising na ang top
Draymond
hander.
yata yun, hindi naman si Ed Rivera yun eh.
Sino si Steph dyan?
Si Poligrates.
Another steal. Moraga. Pristine pass to the hoop. 8-0 run. Naghahabol na ang Photon.
Ayun lang ang problema ni Coach Jong. Pinuputol niya kanina, 15 puntos yung kanyang kalamangan. Diba, 13. Sabi niya, ta-timeout na siya. Ngayon, bumaba na sa 7. Hindi na siya maka-timeout.
Almario, mintis sa kanyang jumper. Poligrates for 3. Misses that one too. Hernandez, naunahan si Custodio sa rebound. Here's Reyes. Mikey, creating space, shooting over. Almario still empty. Hasn't been a good scoring night for Mikey. Custodio, libre mula sa 3. Finally a basket for Euromed.
Joker Custodio.
Kunti, nakasagot si Custodio doon. Nakahinga ng konti. Ito si Coach Jong. Sampu na naman ang kanilang kalamangan dito.
Reyes organizing the offense of Photon. Risky pass, papunta kay Hernandez. Gomez backing down Saitanan. Gets trapped, and that will be a travel. Ang ganda ng depensa ni Saitanan, making Gomez think that there's some space. Pero sinara siya bigla.
Mikey Reyes. Also able to mata. Comes in for Marlon Gomez.
33-23, 5-20. Naiiwan sa ating first half. Euromed sa ngayon looking good. But of course, ang dami pang basketball na ilalaroin natin in this game. Poligrates! Hernandez, sasagot kaya? Too strong. Otara cleans the glass. They reset.
Alam mo, medyo mabagal ang paas nitong ni Ola para dito sa ating game ito.
Unusual, no? Usually very active. Kapasyo, matake, iwan sana. Wayward pass. Hernandez, Ola lang ang kailangan niyang talunin. Ed Rivera, natakot kay Ola. Levy flies in. Ola sends that one back, and Almario enjoys an easy basket on the other end. In the PCBL Chairman's Cup, 4 na talo agad ang sumalubong dito sa Euromed, and that's why they brought in etong si Eloy Poligrates to get them some offense. Siyempre, meron ding defense at kulit na dala ito si Eloy. That's what he's provided for them in this game, leading their attack.
Sobra lang.
Walang malakas nga ipasa kay Eloy. Photo now. Hernandez, binigay kay Ablaza. Moraga, working against Almario. Swings the ball. Nakpil, umatake. Oh, find some space, pero masyado malakas ang tira. Coach, kanina nag-8-0 run yung Photon. We thought they were gonna get back, pero 8-0 run din yung binawi ditong Euromed sa kanila. Ola looking to add more and take that.
After every basket dito si Ola, laging samiti ang mama.
So from looking very frustrated nung huling laro, it's good to see Ola smiling now. Alam naman natin, makulit yan taong yan. That's the personality that he always has. Otara, good pass to Nakpil. Reverse layup. Too short. Ay, nako.
Pa.
Malas lang rin talaga eh, no? Niluwa pa. Poligrates from outside. He converts. That was too easy. He just walked into that 3.
sumisigaw si Ola para set, 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 sabi ni Polly. Anong set, set, set? 3
Set
point
shot.
to.
Set shot yung ginawa. Ablaza. Alam mo, at the top of the coverage, I said Photon would rely on yung mga dependables. Si Ablaza, Hernandez, Mikey Reyes. They haven't had enough. If anyone, steady lang talaga yung order for them.
Kulang yung production. Hindi natin alam dahil ba sa presence ni Ola kaya hindi sila makabasket sa loob. Kung naiilang sila sa depensa ng mga bagong manlalaro. Kulang pa sila sa scout.
Don't look now, it's the biggest lead of the ball game for Euromed. 22-point advantage with 2 and 17 left.
Foul on number 30 in the one bonus. The second substitution and 11 for Derek McGee.
He looks like he's really trying out different formulas, different combinations to try and, you know, ignite something. Minsan kailangan mo yung ganun no? Yung mga bunot.
Yes, oo. Siyempre kailangan balasa ka ng konti. Especially na hindi naman, alam naman natin na na-scout na nila itong mga manlalaro na to. Pero magkakaibang teams dati. Ngayon magkakasama na yung chemistry niya na siguro pinakamalaking bagay. Tinatanong ni Coach Bads, paano ang pwede kong gawin?
Hernandez, forced shot.
Pushing foul number 24, Anthony Guevara.
Tapos nung nagbintis, Ed Rivera tried to get the rebound over Capasio. Rivera got called for a foul. 2 minutes remaining in the first half. Almario playing point duties. Adeogo ng pinuntahan nila with Ed Rivera. Unable to do anything to stop the giant Terezola.
Napakaganda nung kanilang execution ng that one.
Coach, remember the very first play of this game, inside pass ni Lester Alvarez, nataping. Yun, napigilan pa. But pag maganyan, pag umabot na yung bola kay Ola, wala na eh.
Ang
Good
difference
guy.
yung kanina, yung first play is small to big yung pumapasa.
Down by 25. Alam mo, meron pang more than one half. May ilang minuto pa naiiwan sa second quarter. How do you approach this game as a player?
Sa akin, defensively, you have to make the stops. You have to make the right moves dun sa mga half-court defense nyo, and you have to get good shots every single time. Wala nang turnover and hassle sa offensive rebound.
Shots, they will fall no? But
Defensively,
kailangan may effort talaga. Ganda na pasahan, extra pass, but Otara, nabitawan lang when that spelled the difference. Yung split second na nabitawan niya. 2 points. Yung basura pa. Capasio nakataka sa ilalim. Capasio lang bumaba. 4 na Photon players, still he scores.
ganda rin ang skills ng bata to.
And his size, heft and height for his position, plays the 2-3 position. Otara ngayon may hawak. 5 on the 24 of Photon. Ablaza. Oh, Ola Adeogun, once you get to that area na siyang nagbabantay, kailangan mo na mag-invento ng tira. There again is Capasio. Out of nowhere.
29 na ang kalamangan dito dyan. Medyo napapakamot na sa ulo si Coach Bad.
Reyes, 10 on the shot clock. Pinuntahan si Ablaza. He played well the last few games. Hernandez ngayon, shoots over Salamat. Wala pa rin. All the way the board.
Malas sa pupunan itong Photon. Pang-11 rebound galing dito kay Ola Adeogo.
So 11.11 rebounds. Double-double agad. Salamat wisely wasting the clock. Trying to go for the last shot of the first half. Eric, stutter steps. Tries to leave it to Ola. Ola blocked by Otara. Almario though. Oh! Napaganda pa is what they would say about that. Sumalpal si Ola. Alex says, akin na.
Ako
Ang
na.
bahala sa inyo. 54-23, Coach Boybits. 31-point lead. It's good to see Ola Adeogun having a lot of fun. Nakangiti na doon sa bench as we begin the third quarter, and why not? When your team is up by 31 points, you have no excuse not to smile.
Pahipahinga muna para kay Ola. ang kanilang magsimula ay si Saitanan para sa kanilang sentro.
Nabanggit mo nga yan, sa itanan yan si Ola, kinikwento rin ni Ola na sa practice daw, sa kaka-push niya kay Jesse, halos mag-away na raw sila, but at the end, they always remind each other na, hey, this is healthy
Magkakampi tayo.
competition. Yeah, oo. Photon looking for answers. Gomez, iniwan kay Ed Rivera. Cutting Levy Hernandez short on the layup.
Ano naman, si Levy.
Pass it out ngayon. Naagawan ni Lester Alvarez.
Lester Alvarez.
Ito yung binibigay sa'yo ni Lester. Hindi man siya ganun ka-quick. Diba? Pero yung kanyang movement, napaka-precise.
Pride of Parañaque, Lester Alvarez spent some time in the Pro League as well. Reyes ngayon. Si Reyes pasa kay Enriquez. Wala rin ang kanyang hook shot. So imbis na makasagot, mag-isip ang Photon. Euromid pa yung unang nakascore. Here in the third, Lester Alvarez gusto pang dagdagan.
Susunod doon si Mikey. Kukunin mo dyan. Ikutan lang kita. Then one dribble pull up. 58-23.
Finally a basket for Photon, courtesy of Marlon Gomez.
Ito ang kailangan. Gomez and Rivera has to step up dahil hindi maganda ang shooting dito ni Levy Hernandez at hindi komportable itong si Mikey.
Taonera. His three-pointer bounces out. Saitanan, offensive board. Naipit. Good stop mula kay Gomez. Reyes advances the ball to Hernandez. Defense of Taonera. He evades that and forced to.
Magandang pasa galing dito kay Mikey Reyes. Papunta kay Levy Hernandez. Naka 2 points, 58-31. Medyo nagra-run na sila dito.
Custodio ngayon, pipigilan ang pag-atake ng Photon, unable to do so. Gomez very active sa pagpasok ng third quarter. Hernandez talaga, hindi na hinahanap dito. Libre si Enriquez sa ilalim, ang tagal na hanap, but finally, the ball gets to him and he puts it in the hoop.
Puro may 5 segundong libre doon.
Aba, 3 seconds lang ang pinapayagan dun ah.
Hindi, yung pababa. Kasama natin yan.
He was jumping for his life. Papapansin.
Wow! Alvarez. Shot. Binasag yung rally.
Marlon Gomez still aggressive, misses the layup. Coach Boybits, eto si Lester Alvarez with barely 3 minutes into the third quarter. 7 points na ang inaambag niya dito. A total of 10 for him.
Hindi lang si Poligrates ang maganda ang kontribusyon. Ako din dito sa third quarter. Sabi ni Alvarez.
Eto naman si Chauffeur, the jumper is good.
63-29, 6:50 ng ating third quarter. Mighty, gawan pa siya dito.
Reyes, bigay kay Gomez. Gomez attacks. Ang baliktad yung Pectus. Nonetheless, he gets the foul. 2 free throws will be awarded to him.
His third foul, Percy foul Euromid at the stripe, shooting two.
Si Marlon
Marlon Gomez.
came out of the halftime huddle na may gigil. May nakikita ka talagang attempt to just really ignite his team, ignite himself.
That's his role dito sa team na to. Siya yung bumubuhay kasama itong si Ed Rivera. Lagi natin binabanggit sa Hernandez team. This is Hernandez team or Mikey's team. Pero yung contribution ng dalawang big men, Gomez at si Rivera, sila ang nag-glue sa kanila dito.
However, to si Ed Rivera, only 2 points. Now, after yun yung binanggit mong all-around performance of 17 points, 8 rebounds, 7 rebounds, 7 assists. Ayun, 1 out of 6 from the field. Here's Lester. May space, he will shoot. Short dyan sa attempt na yan. Eric Salamat, iiwan sana kay Saitana. Naagaw ni Reyes. 3-on-1 break, iniwan kay out. Hernandez! Dito at
Reyes.
Na dito ang photo, napakaganda.
Foul number 27, Lester Alvarez is first. Second team foul Euromid. Both free.
Hindi na nakalitak. Alvarez, hindi pa uli na lang. Lumaragasap.
Buti lang for Leicester. They can really afford that foul as number 1, mintis naman yung bonus free throw. Number 2, they're still up by 30 points, coach.
pag kinito ka, ikaw yung nandun sa baba, hindi mo na pinapansin yung score. Eh. Dapat ang iniisip mo, play per play. Dapat nakakadalawa ka na positive para sa iyo, isa para dun sa iyong kalaban.
Eric, salamat. 6 na segundo lang nasa shot clock. Naipit, another steal by Mikey. He goes all the way, loses the ball, still finishes.
Mikey Reyes.
Excellent use of English.
Napaka-athletic nitong batang to. Eh. Hindi naman siya ganun kalakihan kung si Alvarez. Siguro pantay lang sila nito. Pero yung dun sa Euro step move niya na yun, nawala itong si Alvarez.
Salamat, titira mula sa labas. Felt he got hit. No foul called. And that's Marlon Gomez. Finishes. Dire-diretso lang eh. No? Wala nang iniisip na iba. I want to score.
Papasa ko pa ba eh? Hindi niyo naman sinushoot. Ako na lang.
Poligrates. Ready to check in. Kasama si Ralph Salcedo. Cesar Alvarez plays the pick and pop with Taonera. Mintes Andres. Mikey Reyes nabitawan. Last touch on Alvarez. The ball will remain with Photon. So few good stops para sa Photon. Naibaba naman nila kahit paano itong lamang. Although it's still...
Ibaba nila na isa. Pero yung flow, napupunta na sa kanila yung momentum. Yung, nakikita natin ng konting magandang nangyayari.
And those were a result of the stops, defensive stops na ginawa ni Mikey Reyes. Now he finds Enriquez. Good slide to the basket.
Pero itong koponan ni Coach Young, binalik na si Poligrates dito.
Yun na nga, and no sighting of Olayed, but alam naman natin yung binigay ni Eloy. 8 points in the second quarter, but another steal by Mikey Reyes. Another advanced pass to Levi Hernandez, who will cruise in for 2.
Mag-decide na ni Coach Young dito. 22 na lang itong kalamangan na to. Binubuhay mo ang kumpiyansa ng koponan ng Photon.
Ayan na, Poligrates, mintis sa kanyang unang tira sa third quarter. Salcedo, second chance. Too easy, masyadong malapit, wala pang bantay.
Sayang yan, nabawasan na si Ed Rivera dito. Pipilay-pilay ng konti.
Reyes, binigay kay Enriquez. Umabot kay Rivera, balik kay Enriquez. Nice pass! Pero nasasaktan talaga to si Ed Rivera. You can see the pain in his face as he hops down.
Kaya si Ablasa, hinugot na dito. Coach Padres.
Alvarez. Pinag-isipan yung tres, medyo malayon. Poligrates, titira!
When in doubt, give it to me. I'll shoot it. Sabi ni Poligrates.
Because Poligrates has absolutely no doubt in his system. Reyes attacks. This time, he scores! Reyes, the spark plug of the offense of Photon here in the third quarter. Pero ito yung mamang kailangan nilang pigilan on the other end. Poligrates, titira na naman. Muntik.
Diretso, sobra lang ng konti.
Pero yung bitaw niya, no, may defender, tapos parang yung tira niya papunta sa right. The release was there. And finally, a dead ball situation will allow Ed Rivera to be subbed out. Try natin i-figure out later kung ano nga ba nangyari kay Ed as he hobbles back to the bench. Cedric Ablaza balik sa laro. It hasn't been the best of games. Medyo nag-slow down siya ngayon after 2 incredible performances. Salcedo, pinaul na lang ng fellow Arellano player niya na si Enriquez.
Number 13, Enriquez is first.
Yung hesitation.
Ito rin coach yung interesting eh. When you play here na BCBL, yung mga dati na kampi mo, collegiate level, magkakaharap na kayo. And of course, meron siya mga friendly na asaran. Girian.
Tapos may ganyang 3 points pa galing kay Poligrates.
Poligrates. Now with 15 points.
Foul number 30, Elio Poligrates is third foul. Third team foul, Euroman.
Actually, si Eloy medyo napikon siya. Feel niya. There you see him explaining. Feel niya nilabasan siya ng paa. And inaabangan niya habang bumababa si Enriquez. Inabang niya, binabangga niya si Tibero. Got away with it the first time, pero naging green. Pumangalawa pa.
Lumusot eh. Lumusot eh.
Second time he was caught. Reyes, aatake. Supalpal ang kanyang layup. Hernandez, three-pointer, no.
Talaga. Ay, sumot para dito. Kaya Hernandez.
Salcedo mag-isa sa ilalim. Masyado lang malalim na position niya. Capascio, great crossover. Naiwan! Ganda sana nung pasa, no?
Kaya rin naka-recover si
13 seconds to shoot.
Palpal niya, yung tira ni Poli gratis doon.
Coach, I beg to differ. I'm sorry, hindi yun medyo nasupalpal.
Baon na baon pala.
Tamo, alis ka dyan. Kapos din naman yung tira ni Eloy. Mikey, advance pass to Enriquez. Finishes it.
For Mikey Reyes.
17-47.
8 points for Allen Enriquez. Lahat dito sa third quarter. And karamihan doon, again, mga hanap ni Mikey Reyes.
Si Mikey, hindi man siya score dito ng heavily, pero kanyang pasa.
Swerte na rin ang Euromid. It was almost stolen. Bato, the series
Ayan.
of events here. Poligrates met by Hernandez upstairs. Full course collision there. Pero the gentlemen are okay.
Number 9, Levy Hernandez is second. Second team foul.
Poligrates a total of 15 points now. Pwede pa niyang dagdagan as he heads to the free throw line.
Poligrates.
With all arresting, ito si Poli yung lumalabas na import ng Euromed. And he has responded. Big points for the debuting Eloy Poligrates.
For round Salcedo.
Si Salcedo, after sumot ni Poli gratis, lalabas niya yung kala niya kanyang possession ulit nila.
Ayan, magkalaban siguro yan dati, nung college. Ablaza attacking. Thompson Rodriguez, a hot hand for Photo on this quarter. Hernandez, he has been rather cold. Looking to get himself going.
Yan siguro ang dapat gawin ni Levy dito sa
Foul number 33, Jimmy Alvarez first. That is the 14th foul. Euromed.
that way mararamdaman niya kanyang positive contribution, yung leadership na dinadala niya dito sa kumpunan na to.
First free throw for Levy, that's good. 15 points for Levy Hernandez. Actually, silent 15 yun eh, no? Na hindi rin natin masyado napansin. Yes. Contributed 16 now already. Pero the field goal shooting nga, yun yung pinag-usapan natin at halftime.
Mababa kanyang percentage.
Almario kontra Reyes. Almario gets to the baseline, naipit, nahanap si Custodio, met upstairs by Utara. Reyes now.
3 points.
Pulls up for a three. Mike could not get it to go. Offensive rebound by Enriquez. That's going to be a travel.
Traveling.
Coach, we see in front of us a statistic that really blows my mind. Go ahead.
Yes, sa perimeter points natin, 41 para sa kupunan ng Euromed, 2 para sa kupunan.
2 points
Yes.
lang. Wow. 41 points from the perimeter. Eh, yung kalaban nila, 49 total points already. So,
Sama-sama mo na lahat.
Number 12 with Capascio penalty. That's the second
that's
foul.
just the story na talagang kung hindi malapitan yung tira ng Photon, hasn't been falling for them. Paalala po, we're in the third quarter already with just 34.5 seconds left. And again, yun nga, Photon just with 2 perimeter points.
Ano ba meron sa labas na tira nila? Ba't hindi sila makabasket?
Hindi mo naman pwedeng sabihin may problema sa ring kasi nag-switch na tayo.
Nakashoot na dyan yung,
tayo.
nakashoot na dyan yung Euromed kanina, di ba?
Enriquez, siyang umiscore din para sa Photon. When they trimmed the lead and got it to 22 na lang yan kanina from being 31. Mikey, hinanos si Ablaza. Baseline jumper is short.
I don't manage shoot.
That is a Zico daw ang inilabas. Ni Tahonera. Referee initially whistles an unsportsmanlike foul. Kamot na lang sa ulo si Jeff Tahonera. Clearing it up. Oh, wala nang review. They were really sure that they saw it. Labas ng Zico ito si Jeff Tahonera. Take a look at it. Natin ito siya. First page right now. Oh, tapos na nga when we saw that. We'll try to take that sequence later. Meanwhile, Otara, second free throw. That's good. More possession, syempre. Dito pa rin sa Photon because of that. But sportsman-like foul.
22 points na lang. Kalaman na dito na Euromed. Possession nila. Paano yung 20? Pwede pa rin yan eh. Diba? Isang quarter, 20 points. Kaya mo kabulin yan.
There's a 2-second difference sa shot clock at game clock, but itong Photon will try to attempt the last shot. Reyes, binigay kay Ablaza. Hernandez cuts, binigay na kay Otara. Close to Mike Reyes pass the inbound. Good stop. Help is what Euromed needed and help has arrived. 72-52, lamang sila ng 20. And we will be back for the fourth and final period. At this point, Coach Boyvin's dead last itong Euromed in the standings, 0-4. Pero ahead by 20 points as we begin the fourth quarter. It looks like they may be getting their first win here today in Malolos, and it's because of two gentlemen na bumuhay sa kanila sa araw na ito, Lester Alvarez and Eloy Poligrates.
Kagaya na sinabi natin, at ang addition, ang problema nila sa first 4 games nila is si Ola, tsaka si malalaki lang ang umi-score. The addition of these three, malaking bagay. Offensively, ang nadagdag sa kanila. Tapos yung leadership na binibigay sa'yo, sila lang ang lalaro.
Hindi na kasi experience ng mga lalaro yun. Bongga Lanza from outside. So good, Otara with the board.
Foul number 33, Jeffrey Tahonera.
Nera ang natawagan ng foul doon.
That is third foul, first team foul here, Euromed.
27, 0 for 12. 3-point field goal natin para sa Euromed. 43 rebounds, 29 para sa Photon. Ang field goal percentage natin, 48% sa Euromed. 44 lang para sa Photon.
That is why the boys in blue are down by 20. They have 9 minutes to make up for that. Empty pa rin on that try. Allen Enriquez.
Hindi bumibigay si Enriquez dito. Nalaban pa rin siya. Kaya sa laban na yun, may natalo siya.
Offensive foul number 13, Allen Enriquez. His second, first team foul, Photon 700.
Can relax at this point after all that he's given Euromed in this ball game. Ito sila, Tahonera. Kay Capasio, inikot nila. Almari now on the right side. Galanza trying to escape. Does so, gets some space and makes the three.
Oh, Galanza.
Sila dapat with defensively.
Reyes. Enriquez, iniwan kay Ablaza. Labas kay Hernandez. 3-pointer, still nothing. 0 out of 13. And to make things worse, turnover pass. Otara throws the ball away.
Nakakuha ka nga ng offensive rebound, pero pagpasa mo, wala na naman ang kita.
Ganda nung screen dito to free up Bongga Lanza as he weaved through his teammates. Get that open look.
75-52 na pagpuntang pasa galing
Ray Capasio.
papunta kay Capasio. 77-52. 8:05 to go. Isang steal pa galing dito kay Almari. Oops!
That is gonna be a deliberate foul. Walang defender, walang kakampi si Cedric Ablaza was ahead of Alex Almari. And that was automatically.
Hindi nila sa salik. Dapat din umabot ka pa ng konti. Siguro after the ball.
Coach, alam mo ito, kanina pa natin nga pinag-uusapan sina Policrates, Lester Alvarez, yung pagdating din ni Eric Salamat, he has been quiet but had impact. I think we overlook yung performance ni Alex Almario in this game. Pag nagpapahinga yung mga yon, yung mga veteran guys, Alex has came in and made stops. Sinagawan niya si Mikey Reyes, creates yung huling dalawang basket ng Sumet. Pasa niya kay Bongga Lanza for the three-pointer. Pasa niya dun sa cutting twin na back.
Hindi natin minamaliit yung kontribusyon. Alvarez Poligrates set 27 points, 10 of 24. Ang rebound nila is 7. Ano pa ang hahanapin mo sa yung mga bagong malalaro?
Yun na nga,
Yes, balik
Almario.
tayo kay Almario. Hindi naman natin pinapaliwala yung kanyang kontribusyon. Pero malaking bagay yung addition ng mga kontribusyon ni Poligrates sa Alvarez.
Ayan.
Pero yung leadership nitong bata, nagko-compliment sila ngayon dito sa laro na to.
And he's really calm. Team captain itong Euromed has contributed. Kung hindi man siya umi-score, he's finding ways para makapagdagdag ng puntos ang kanyang mga teammates. Mikey Reyes though, iniwan siya that time. Ito namang si Alex, pinag-uusapan ka na nga.
Pinupuri ka nga namin. Nagpapaiwan ka kay Mikey.
Pero nakita natin yung numbers, coach, ng Alvarez at Poligrates, no?
Yes,
And
grabe.
certainly ngayon, alam mo, kailangan kong i-check kung talaga bang nabakante to si Eloy. How can
6
you-
months ba?
6 months ka na bakante, tapos 17 points. And with ease, no, he would just walk into a three-pointer kahit may bantay. He shot over the defenders of Photon. It's just really the Eloy that we know.
Substitution natin ang Enriquez sa 98 for Ed Rivera.
28-point lead pa rin para sa mga nakaputi. Euromed Laboratories looking for their first win in the Chairman's Cup. 0-4 sila ngayon.
Sa unang panalo na inaantay natin para sa pupunan nitong Euromed. Baka ito ang simula ng magandang kampanya.
Tama. Kasi coach, minsan kailangan mo lang ma-realize na kaya mo naman talaga manalo. And Mario attacked and got fouled.
Coming
Bench
round number 23,
45 para sa Euromed. Photon 12.
2 shots, Alex
Grabe.
Almario.
Wow. Well, 17 of those 45 points came from Eloy Poligrates.
Yes, ito pa. Ito pang si Almario. Galing din to
Oo
sa
nga,
bench.
off the bench din. It has been that kind of a day para sa Euromed. Everyone just contributing. And usually, I've grown accustomed to hearing Coach Yong screaming on the sidelines. But today, he's calm,
Relax lang.
he's happy.
Relax muna. Wala munang galit.
Almario crossing Photon over. He gets fouled again.
Foul on number 11, Cedric Ablaza is second.
Second
That is
personal
the
foul.
14th
Pang-apat na
foul
yan.
pulled on Taplander.
Now Photon in the fourth quarter.
40 seconds on the shot clock.
You know, Coach, ano rin no? Looking at the situation now for Euromed, kailangan mo rin siguro bigyan ng credit yung ibang mga guys who gave way para makapasok at magkaroon ng mga minuto itong mga bagong
Yes.
players. Bongga Lanza, dati siyang pinupuntahan as a Blaza finisher.
Cedric Ablaza.
Alam mo, para maging maganda ang chemistry ng inyong team, kung nakakakuha ka na 5 tira sa isang game, kung may mas magaling sa iyong team, dapat ma-accept mo yun. Diba? Ibigay mo doon sa mas magaling yung tira para sa inyong kampanya.
Lanza offensive board. Yung tira, yung layup ni Ablaza on the other end. We were talking about him nung before the game started na maganda yung pinakita niya. First 2 points yan in this game.
Alex Almario.
As Almario splits the Red Sea. Mikey Reyes ngayon. Pass sails out of bounds. Ball will remain with Photon.
Shot at 11 seconds.
11 seconds to go.
Substitution Ibrahim Altara. Just tagging for Marlon Lopez.
56.
11 seconds to shoot.
Pinating na ito si Utara. Ang pass dito
we saw Ola Diogun on the floor.
Pa-end ng second quarter.
Diba, Coach?
Yes.
Entire second half, di na pinasok si Ola and it's still the pure dominance mula sa Euromed. Capasio, naipit. Almario from outside. No, Enriquez. Advancing the ball to Reyes. Muntik maaagaw. They recover. Passes to Hernandez. Levy, chop shot. That's good for Levy.
Perimeter basket, parang ngayon na lang sila nadagdagan niya.
Lalo na kay Levy, Coach. Yeah, he's made a living from inside. Close looks, fast break attempts, free throws. Pero yung outside shot, ngayon na lang talaga nahulog for him. Itong Euromid, Capasio. Trying to join the scoring party. Galanza from outside.
Ibigay lang sa malayo. 2 steps, 3 steps away sa niya.
Basket is good for Mikey Reyes.
Grabe yung range ni
Shooting foul number
Galanza.
10 on Sabato is first.
With a hand on his face from a few feet away. Pero like he said, on the other end, Mikey Reyes, binawi rin naman. An orthodox three-point play. Can he complete it? Yes, he does.
Substitution for Luzon coming in for Levy Hernandez.
Upo na si Levy Hernandez. Do you expect him to be back pa rin, Coach?
Parang kailangan mo lang siguro pahingahin. Moraga is in.
As for Spike foul number 12 with Capacio's third foul.
Hasn't been the kindest of
Alan Enriquez lost ball possession.
Alan Enriquez. Well, there was another unsportsmanlike foul called.
Kay Capasio. Pag-box out niya medyo napataas ang kanya sikot o mama dito. Kay Enriquez.
88-65, 23-point lead. Para sa Euromed, Mikey Reyes trying to be aggressive. The last few minutes of this game, asking for a foul. Nothing given. Almario calming his boys down. Galanzo matake sa baseline. Tatlo. Hinapatalo niya. Hinabot pa rin ang sapal. Plaza, atake, iwan kay Enriquez. Allen finishes.
Enriquez.
Desisyon galing dito kay Galanza. Pinasa dito kay Enriquez.
12 puntos na para kay Allen. That's 7 straight points for Photon. But Coach, do you think they have enough time to come back? 3-33, 21-point lead. Kung mapasok to ni Allen, 20 na lang.
3 minutes and 33. Anything can happen. Alam mo naman dito sa laro ng basketball. Pero
Perfect
meron kang
basketball.
Almario na leader maglaro. Meron kang Galanza. Meron kang Capasio na nandyan para putulin ang rally ng kapupunan.
No errors na pwede, no? Saitanan from outside. Still nothing. Coach, what is it about yung sa dinala nga nung mga bagong players? Salamat, Alvarez, and Poligrates. Ano ba yung dinala nila dito sa Euromed that turned them into this team na nananambak ng 30 points?
Unang-una yung hope. Yung hope na something good is about to happen. Nung sinama siya ni Coach Yong, ni Coach Yong Garcia dito sa team na to, na shake yung team, na itama yung mindset ng koponan. Now they're seeing the results. Yung change na kailangan nilang gawin dun sa unang 4 na talo nila.
Now, if you're Photon, where do you go from here?
Alam naman natin yung Photon, may maraming ligang nilalaruan. Diba? Dito sa ika-anim nilang laro dito sa PCBL, dapat siguro yung pahinga ng kanilang mga laro ang mas important.
Oh yeah, that's certainly a factor. Sa madaling makita at panoorin sa TV and you think that parang video game, no? Coach, na parang pag new game, automatic 100% health and fatigue ulit. But syempre, yung mga ensayo din po and all the other activities as these guys, of course, hopeful din talaga karamihan ng mga players natin. Some of them practice with professional teams to try to make their climb into the pros.
Meron tayo sa 3-point attempt is yung Santa Lucia, 2 out of 15 kalaban nila ang Euromed. Ngayon, photon 0 of 13 dito sa ating laro na to.
Kalaban din ng Euromed.
Yes, Euro pa rin ang kanilang
Does that
kalaban.
speak of the perimeter defense or malas
Perimeter
lang talaga?
defense. Siguro, yun ang
May
doon
ano yun,
nagfo-focus itong si Coach Sean Garcia. Magaling mag-close out yung kanilang mga manlalaro para mabiso yung tira ng kanilang mga kalaban.
Alam mo, isa talagang bilib na bilib ako is that this lead, although bumaba in the second half, nagsimula tayo ng third quarter, 31 lamang nila. Now it's down to 17 points. Pero still, they were able to do it na itong Photon. May import Otara has been playing Ola. No sight of him in the second half.
Hindi na siya ginamit dito.
Tumatakbo na naman ang Euromed. Galanza na bitawan ang bola. Wala Tio, very active on the bench. Natawa na lang yung mga ano eh. Na-warningan tuloy si Ola, pero natawa na nga lang siya. He was really emphatic about his feeling about na parang ang humihingi yata siya ng unsportsmanlike foul.
Hindi eh. Parang bakit ka tatayo? Tumawag naman ang ating official.
Bakit ka tatayo? 6'8 ka naman. Kita ka naman,
Kita ka
Ola.
naman eh.
Pasok ang unang free throw ni Bong Galanza. 89-71. Second free throw for Bong. Pasok.
90-71. 2 minutes.
Ganda pasa sa ilalim. Ablaza. Mahula pa si Saitanan at si Otaro.
That's something na meron si Mikey na kaya niyang pumasa.
But a bump from the back. And Reyes gets called for a personal. A minute and 45 remaining sa ating laro. Going back to the standings, finally, it's safe to say that Euromed will barge into the winning column. Pagkatapos ng 5 subok, a few close games, they finally get win number 1. 1-4 sila. At ang Photon will drop to 2-4.
Nandun man sila sa baba, sa pinakababa, pero welcome. Welcome itong panalo na ito. Malaking moral code ng PCBL, si Mr. Clean na yung foil a card na tikitagi.
Uy! Hello po, sir.
Ayan, nirap niya yung kotse ko.
Wow.
Andyan.
Pasakay
So,
naman.
para siyempre naman, si Lance Odulio. Si Alan, si Lance. Magandang hapon sa inyo. Magandang gabi pala.
Yes. Eto na, final minute and 30 ng ating laro. Still a comfortable 16-point lead for Euromed. But I like that.
Titira na naman si Galanza ng 3 points dito.
Huwag naman mula dyan. Medyo masyadong
Saita na lang.
Too strong.
Offensive rebound pa.
But you see here, nagpe-pressure pa rin yung Photon. I guess you really like seeing that. Full pa rin yung effort na binibigay nila. And Ablaza getting a stop, forcing Hill to step on the sidelines. Balik tayo dito sa laro. 1 minuto na lang at 4 na segundo na iiwan. 16-point lead pa rin for Euromed. It will barge into the winning column. Frustrations ni Ola, okay na. Solved na siya. Pero Ablaza hindi pa rin ito itigil. That's 2 points. Pito at puntos pa.
Gusto ko yung ginawa ni Coach Vance dito. Medyo malayo na to. Unreachable. Down ka by 16 points. Pero may pagkakataon ka na i-improve yung koponan. Timeout ka, execute ka ng half-court play. Good for them.
Actually, Coach, ako dati when I watch these games, pag ganito na, anong sasabihin ko, time out pa, papatagalin pa. But you realize that preparation mo na rin to for the next games eh.
You can use yung mga ganitong sitwasyon pag medyo close yung mga laro.
Look at that, another stop. Enriquez, nakakuha pa. Plaza scoring again. 11-point lead na lang. Ang layo na dun sa 31, which was the biggest of this game. During halftime, Ablaza fouls Hill. Quickly apologizes.
Holding foul on number 11, Cedric
You
Abdasa.
love seeing yung ganito, no, Coach?
Effort na mga manlalaro. Talagang matutuwa ka dyan. Halo ka nga, mga mailibre mo pa yung mga manlalaro.
Ablaza na buhayan, no? 13
Fourth
puntos.
quarter.
All in the fourth quarter.
13 fourth quarter. Sana nagawa niya rin yun ng third quarter. Mas dikit tayo sana.
Oo nga, yun lang yung mga too little, too late. As Hill, unable to convert on any free throw. Reyes pushing the ball. Nothing on his attempt. Oh, sorry possession for Photon. Agaw Nilago. Nakpil. Crazy sequence. Alam mo, mayroon laro recently. I think it was in the NCAA final. No, not yet the Final Four, pero yung March Madness. It came back from, I think, a 12-point lead in
Nung 1 minute,
35
35
seconds.
seconds. Parang hindi
Well, ito medyo mas mababa. 28 na lang. 27.9 to be exact. Pero nakatigil yung oras and Jerick Nakpil will have a shot at 2 free throws. First one falls in.
Nakakuha ng break dito ang photo. Niyapos na ni Otara yung kanyang binabantayan doon para mag-cause ng turnover. Nakpil. Kita naman dito kay Mikey ang bola.
Ay, naku,
Last
nabitawan
30.
lang. 31-point lead. Medyo ganun din yung difference towards the end of the halfway to the fourth. Who would have thunk? 10 puntos na lang ang namamagitan sa Euromed at Photon. Otara, foul sa Itanan. And penalty na sila, so that will send him to the free throw line. Masusubukan ang nerves ni Jesse Saitanan. First one falls in. Back to 11 points ang lamang ng Euromed. 19.4 seconds. May isa pang timeout. Euromed.
Ito, wala na.
Here we go. 19.4 seconds remaining. Di na pwede magkaroon ng wasted possessions. Etong Photon. Peel. Oh, that's gonna be it. Here we will try to foul. Louis Vigil will attack. Oh, blocked by Ablaza. May pahabol pang highlight. Otara.
Aray ko.
Niluwa pa ng ring. Wow. I guess that final sequence will speak highly of the kind of ball game it was for Photon. Sayang. So natapos ang ating laro to the tune of 93-81.